GPT-5, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 5, is the latest in a series of AI models that have progressively reshaped our digital world. It's a cutting-edge technology that has taken the tech industry by storm, sparking conversations and debates across the globe. Born from the lineage of its predecessors, GPT-5 stands tall, flaunting capabilities that were once thought to be the stuff of science fiction. It's not just another AI model, it's a leap forward into a future where artificial intelligence is no longer a mere tool, but a game changer. So what sets GPT-5 apart from its predecessors? It's not just about size or complexity. Buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of GPT-5, exploring its unique features, capabilities, and the revolutionary impact it's poised to make. The journey to GPT-5 began years ago, with each version advancing in complexity and capabilities. It all started with simple language models that could barely complete a sentence. However, as developers fed these models more data and refined their algorithms, they began to evolve. They transformed into something more complex and more powerful. The emergence of neural networks marked a significant leap in this evolution. These networks, designed to mimic the human brain, enabled AI to learn and adapt like never before. They could recognize patterns, make predictions, and even generate creative outputs. Fast forward to today, and we have GPT-5, an AI model that can understand and generate human-like text with an astonishing degree of accuracy. It's a testament to the relentless innovation that has driven the field of artificial intelligence. This evolution is a tale of relentless innovation. At its core, GPT-5 is a marvel of engineering. It stands as a testament to the power of deep learning, a subfield of artificial intelligence that emulates the learning approach humans use to gain certain types of knowledge. Deep learning is the cornerstone of GPT-5, enabling it to understand, learn from, and generate human-like text. But deep learning isn't the only magic at work here. GPT-5 also harnesses the power of massive data analysis. Think of it as the AI's ability to read and understand billions of pages of text in a blink. This data analysis capability allows GPT-5 to generate responses that are contextually relevant, making the AI's output feel incredibly human. And let's not forget the cutting-edge neural network architectures that form the backbone of GPT-5. These are complex algorithms designed to mimic the human brain, enabling the AI to learn from its experiences. With these advanced neural networks, GPT-5 can understand context, infer meaning, and even exhibit a semblance of creativity. Together, these elements, deep learning, massive data analysis, and sophisticated neural networks, create a technology that is truly revolutionary. They allow GPT-5 to understand, learn, and respond in ways that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This section uncovers the technical wizardry that powers GPT-5. It's a fascinating look behind the curtain, revealing the intricate machinery that drives this game-changing AI. What can GPT-5 do? The answer is breathtaking. Imagine an AI that not only understands text but also generates it in a way so human-like, it's often indistinguishable from a person's own writing. But that's just the beginning. GPT-5 is a master of language, capable of translating between languages, summarizing lengthy documents, and even writing poetry, all with a nuanced understanding of context and tone. Beyond language, GPT-5 possesses the ability to solve complex problems, applying its deep learning capabilities to a variety of fields. In healthcare, for example, it can analyze vast amounts of medical literature, aiding researchers in identifying potential new treatments. In business, it can help to predict market trends, making it a valuable tool for strategists and investors alike. GPT-5's capabilities extend to the world of entertainment too. It can generate storylines for video games, create dialogues for movies, and even compose music. And in education, it's revolutionizing learning by providing personalized tutoring, adapting to the learning style of each student. In essence, GPT-5 is more than just an AI. It's a versatile platform, a creative partner, a problem solver, and a guide, all rolled into one. It's a testament to the potential of artificial intelligence, a glimpse into a future where AI and humans work together in harmony. Here, we explore real-world applications that are already making an impact. With great power comes great responsibility. GPT-5's advancements raise important ethical questions. As we integrate this powerful technology into our society, we must carefully consider the implications. One key concern is privacy. With the ability to process and generate human-like text, there's a risk of misuse, with potential for privacy breaches and unauthorized data access. Then, there's the question of accountability. If GPT-5 makes a decision that leads to harm, who bears the responsibility? The developers, the users, or the AI itself? We also need to address the potential for bias. Like all AI, GPT-5 learns from data. If that data reflects societal biases, the AI could inadvertently perpetuate these biases, leading to unfair outcomes. And finally, there's the issue of job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, it could potentially replace human workers in certain roles, leading to job losses and social disruption. This segment delves into the challenges and responsibilities of integrating such a powerful AI into society. What does the future hold with GPT-5? It's a question that sparks both wonder and speculation. Imagine a future where AI like GPT-5 is a vital part of our everyday lives. It's not just about technology firms or scientific research. We're talking about a future where every industry, healthcare, education, entertainment, even agriculture is transformed by the power of AI. Consider the potential of GPT-5 in healthcare. It could help doctors with diagnosis, offer personalized treatment plans, and even provide mental health support. In education, GPT-5 could offer personalized learning experiences, adapt to individual learning styles and needs, enabling a truly inclusive education for all. The entertainment industry could see AI-generated content personalized to individual tastes. And in agriculture, AI could optimize crop yields, manage resources efficiently, and contribute to sustainable farming practices. The possibilities are truly endless, and while it's impossible to predict the future with absolute certainty, one thing is clear: we're on the brink of an AI revolution. Join us as we speculate on the future shaped by this groundbreaking technology. A GPT-5 isn't just a tool, it's a window into a future where AI transforms every aspect of our lives. We've journeyed from the inception of AI to the marvel that is GPT-5, delved into its technical wizardry, marveled at its capabilities, and pondered the ethical considerations it brings. As we stand on the brink of an AI revolution, the possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. Thank you for exploring this journey with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI.